Good morning, guys. This morning's project, we're going to be opening this busted up keyway to 3/8, and the shaft, the keyway was busted as well, mates to that piece. So we welded it up. We have it turned back down into spec where it needs to be. We'll flip it over, and we're going to be milling a mating keyway with that as well. And have the perfect size and have the broach, so we're good to go. And there's all my extra ones that just have been accumulated. Alright guys, so here's our bung for it. We started broaching. I'm just doing some math out now, figuring out what our overall is going to be, which is inch 465, give or take a few thousandths. It's an inch 270 hole, so you want to add half of your keyway, which is a 3/8 keyway, so half of that's 187, and about 7 thousandths of wiggle room so your key stock doesn't get hung up in there. So that comes out to about inch 466, 465. And we have our key stock here, checking it with. Everything seems good. There's a little 3/8 broach. And pretty much you want to add these shims up. It's 10,000 shim stock brass. You want to keep adding it up until you get out to your number. And you'll keep pushing it through. I just have some rags down there so we don't chip the broach up, because sometimes I can't catch it and run it at the same time. So yeah, we made it to inch 440, so we have about 22 thousandths more to go. I'm using these shims, going up in about increments of 10 thousandths. So about 2 more passes, and then we'll clean it up a little bit and go with light, about some 2,000 shim stock, and really get it in good. Right there, 466.5. Nice key down it. Cleaned up the old beat up one 100%. So we should be good. Now we'll machine the other piece. So now we're just indicating the top of this straight. Now that's nice and straight. Open this keyway up, get it fit good, and be all set. Center. So inch 110 will be 555. That'll be center of our shaft. Set that as 0. Now we're just writing a simple program. Our X values, which is negative inch 170 and positive 3/8, just so it comes off the piece. It doesn't leave a little radius on there. Y values is front to back, which is going to be 187 and negative 187. No radius and direction. We want to climb mill, so we'll go counterclockwise. Number of passes, I know I'm taking 187 cut total in my rapid. I actually am going to change to 50. So it's going to be about 236, 237, and I'll do 25 thousandths a pass, so roughly we'll do 12 passes. Entry mode, you want to do zigzag ramp so you don't have a bunch of pressure coming straight down on the tool. And do 2 thousandths finish cut, Z feed rate, do 2.5, XYZ, do 25 and finish 10, tool 1. So there's our pocket. It doesn't show any radiuses. It'll just compensate whatever the tool has that we'll put in. These coming down increments of 25 thousandths. Going at 25 inches per minute. RPM right about 1400. The last pass, and it's going to go back around and leave a nice finished cut, a little bit slower. see. Nice finish. Let me grab the key stock. We'll see how it works. Finished project. Everything lines up good. Our pocket we milled for the keyway. Down there's our broach. Right to size. Everything slips together perfect. If you guys have any questions on how else I did this or any other tips maybe, just drop it down in the comments.